Hey y'all, my name is Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Please remember to subscribe, click the notification bell so you'll be notified on all my new videos. Remember to share this video, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching this video. Hey y'all. I'm here to do a Beebeecraft project share. So for all the links will be down in the description box for all these products that I am using. And this is the card that I made with it. I made an anniversary card. I used the lace on here. This is the lace that was sent to me from them. This is really nice lace. There's a lot of it. So I just cut a piece of it to fit on the card. And then here's some strips left over that I can use. I also made a bow with it. And then there's some really nice twine here that was sent to me. This was in the first shipment. I wanted to use this, and also this burlap. And this burlap is really nice. It's very stiff. So I thought this would be great to use on the card as well. I almost thought about laying it flat and using it for texture, and then I thought, well, you know what, it's so stiff it will make great shapes. So I just cut hearts out with some scissors. I thought about trying to use die cut or something like that, but I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and cut them by hand. Now I did have some die cuts that I wanted to use as well that was sent to me in this last shipment. I thought I left them out. Where'd I put them? Oh, let's put them over here. And I had a whole bunch of different ones. So this set right here was one of the sets that was sent to me, and this is the one that I used right here. Okay, so I wanted to use this one. I really like this set, and I also used these. I was really wanting to use these little letters and numbers. I used a lot of their products here to try out. So, and the first time I used these, they were not coming out very well. And I remember I had to try wax paper. This time I did not use wax paper, and they worked like a charm. So I was very, very pleased about that. So I guess the wax paper must have like conditioned them or something, I don't know. But yeah, they worked really well. So I was very, very impressed with that. So I made the 52 and the years, and I also did the anniversary inside. And I stamped the happy. The happy actually came from a Stampin' Up stamp that I had, and then the heart, 2 hearts were just some other stamp that I had. And then I cut a piece of the matching cardstock behind the anniversary. Okay. And then I colored the 52 and the years with my Stampin' Up marker Stampin' Right marker, so it would pop out a little better. It wouldn't be just so white. I started to just go around the edges kind of like I did on this one, but I kind of messed up, and then I thought, well, I think I like it better just colored in anyway. The paper here is actually a piece of Stampin' Up! Retired paper. From last year, and let's see if I can find the name of it. It's I can't, let's see. It is, oh yeah, it's the Woven Threads, but that's retired. And let's see what, oh, the pearls. I used the pearls that they sent me. These, well, they're glass pearl beads, satin lush. I put those on here, and then I made a bow with a piece of this that I cut, the lace, and then also with the twine here. And then I put some of that twine back underneath the bow, just kind of, you know, like wrapped it around your hand, twirled it up and put it under there for some more texture. I felt that turned out really, really cute on the front. And like I said, then I just put happy anniversary inside with the stamp. There is my card that I made, and used a lot of the things that they sent me. I was really proud of myself that I was able to use so many of the things that they sent. And I do have some more ideas with some of these items, so stay tuning in for that, because I'm going to actually be using like some of these items here for my daughter's wedding, and I'll be showing you that. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and please share. Please comment down below what you think. And please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And I thank you for watching. And let me know what you think. And I'll see you again soon. And have a blessed day.